In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the memory cache feature. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Let's try to understand what the cache feature does by making an example. In the example, I will make an application that calculates the factorial of a number. I will use the time module to find out how long it took to complete the calculation. I import the module. First, I will create a function that calculates the factorial of any number. I create a variable and set it to 1. I'm creating a for loop. The for loop will be repeated as many times as the value sent to the function. I multiply the value by itself by increasing it by 1. I use time function to calculate how long the calculation takes. Before calling the function, I assign the start time to a variable. I call the function and send the value 100,000. So the function will calculate the factorial of the number 100,000. After the function completes, I save the end time into a variable. When I subtract the start from the end time, I can find out how long it took the program to complete. The program is completed in 4 to 5 seconds. Let's try again. Again, the program was completed in 4 to 5 seconds. I want the same operation to be repeated 5 times using a for loop. Each transaction takes approximately 4 to 5 seconds. The process is the same. It calculates the factorial of the number 100,000 each time. Well, let's think about this. When the first calculation is made, let's save this calculation to the memory cache. Later, when you want to make the same calculation, it will tell us the result in the cache directly without making any calculations. In this way, the second and the same process will be completed in almost a split second. Let's find out how we can do this. First, I import the cache module. All I have to do is add the cache decorator to the function. In this way, the result of the calculation in the function will be saved to the memory cache. When a similar calculation is desired, the value in memory will be returned directly instead of performing this mathematical operation on the CPU. The first calculation will take between 4 and 5 seconds. Subsequent calculations are completed in milliseconds. Just like before, it is not rebuilt. The value in memory is read. Let's try again. The same process took place. I delete cache decorator. This time, the calculation is repeated in each cycle. Each calculation takes approximately 4 to 5 seconds. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the memory cache feature. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.